In last video we made some mistake. We're going to rectify that mistake in this video, and we're going to actually assume differently for theta 2. We will assume this time the angle two centers make with x-axis, that would be the theta 2. Okay, so let's first of all rectify the mistake that we did in the previous video. We had just used this one. We don't have to use this one. We can delete this thing and put CRD here. CRD, just for remembering what is this CRD, you can actually just to remember what is what. Now actually let's do it again. Okay, this is going good. Okay, now I just said that I'm not going to use theta 2, I'm going to use the angle that it makes. So for that, those two centers makes with each other. For that I have to make see what's the angle, the two big union, not this one. Here am I using theta 2. Okay, here just delete theta 2. I don't need theta 2 now. I'm not going to use it. CRD. Okay, state collision here. I don't need theta 2. CRA. Okay, here I'm gonna use calculate theta 2. So how will I do that? First of all, I need 2 points. For this it's like 2D, so I don't have to go for Z. So 2 point y square mx plus c. So if you actually need to find slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So slope theta 2, CRD 7. There is no CRD 7, so I don't even have to go for this CRD 7. Let's go for theta 2. Theta 2 dash is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So y2, I need y. Let's not do it here because I don't have y here. I only y here. I don't want to give it an input. So you can actually go for here is theta 2. Theta 2 dash. Here is good. So theta 2 I have to calculate. Theta 2 dash is equal to y2 minus y1. So y. You can y1, y2. Let's see what is the value. Then we can change accordingly. y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, let's see what is the answer of this theta 2. Let's play it out. Theta 2 is 8 degrees. Okay, at the time of collision I need, no? I don't need to go for every time. So don't go for every time, just go for at this time only. It's minus 10. They are making actually some angle. They should not make an angle because they are coming straight. Okay, I understand what's happening. I just go for brackets. It's going for y1 divided by, then subtracting this y2 minus that one. Okay, now it will be good. Yep, now it's bouncing back. This is very good now. Actually, the error was like I was just dividing y1 by this one because I was not using brackets. Board mass, you have to take care of board mass. Really. So this time it's good. Now it's not gonna be like that. I don't have to actually use theta 2. It's just an assumption. What is really happening? That also has an assumption. It's also has an assumption. Let's give a little bit of white weight because I'm using it size of 1 unit. I can actually say can they will collide. Yep, they're colliding a little bit. That is good. There's more generalized way.